Welcome to the fifth installment of ALEX Tech Tips. In this session, you'll learn how to use the advanced search features on ALEX. You can use the advanced search functionality on the ALEX LOR to locate standards-aligned learning resources and Alabama Course of Study standards. First, type alabamalearningexchange.org into your address bar. Then, click the purple Let's Get Started button to enter the ALEX LOR. You can access all Alabama Course of Study standards and standards-aligned learning resources without logging into the ALEX platform. However, if you would like to save any of the content to your personal content collection or sandbox, please sign into your ALEX account. From the tab menu, click on the Course Content Collections tab, which is represented by a teacher standing in front of a board. On the Course Content Collections tab, click on the Search Site Content search bar. You'll have the option to search by keywords and terms or by standard. To search by keywords or terms, first select Search by Keyword/Terms. Then narrow your search with additional filtering. You can select a specific content collection to search, such as a particular course or grade. The default option is all items in ALEX. Then choose a subject. You can select a subject area to search. Please note, selecting a subject area will increase the speed of the search engine. Type a keyword and press Enter, or click the purple search button. You will then receive a list of search results. You can further narrow your search by entering an additional keyword. You can filter your search results to view lesson plans and mini lessons or other resources. Please note, only vetted lessons and resources will appear in the search results. To begin a new search, click the purple New Search button. To search by standards, begin by selecting Search by Standards. Then narrow your search with additional filtering. You can select a specific content collection to search, such as a particular course or grade. Then choose a subject. Select a subject area to search. Please note, to search by standard, you must select a subject area to search. Next, type a keyword. Search results will appear automatically. Click on the map icon to view the standard within the entire subject area framework. Click on Choose to view learning resources aligned with the selected standard. You can view all standards for a particular subject area by clicking on the purple Browse Standards button. You can also locate learning resources aligned with other standards through this view. After locating a learning resource through the search feature, you can view it, print it, or share the link with another educator. Logging into your ALEX account will give you the capability to save the learning resource to your content collection or add it to your content sandbox to make edits for your personal use. For more information about how to use the ALEX learning resources in your classroom, please view our Tech Tips playlist on YouTube. You'll learn how to create a personalized content collection, which will allow you to easily curate and organize ALEX learning resources to enhance your teaching experience, and how to use your ALEX content sandbox. You can use your content sandbox to remix existing content and create new content for your personal use. That wraps up our introduction on using the advanced search features on the ALEX LOR. If you have any questions or need assistance using the ALEX website, please reach out to the ALEX team and we'd be glad to help.